No, they should have named this one. This. So we are trying the Ramadan box donuts. So this is buy one get one. So if you buy one box and you will get free of this one. So first is we're gonna try this. First this. How is it? It's good. It's pistachio nights. Next is Lotus Kunafa.
Yellows.
Like this. 1 to 10.
So maybe
Yeah, I
8.
know. I know. Yeah, Lotus is your favorite. It's good. So this is cheesecake kunafa. Yeah. Crunchy. But this one is too sweet for me. It's pistachio kunafa. The white. So this is the viral pistachio kunafa or the pistachio kunafa only. Dark chocolate.
Not much compared to Krispy Kreme.
Yeah, Krispy Kreme too sweet.
The viral.
The viral pistachio kunafa donuts.
Wow, it looks same inside.
Yeah, same pistachio.
But even the dough is.
Same. Oh, the dough
Looks
same.
green,
Yellow,
huh?
yellow.
Cheers. This one is better.
Yeah. This one I tried in the shop.
This one is good.
Yeah, the best. I like also the night pistachio nights. It's not too sweet. I cannot.
You know?
Can you finish also this one?
I don't know if you can close.